In this episode of Stecker Studios, we add a foot to our pinch pot. So we've made a few pinch pots so far, and we're getting ready to add a foot to this one right here. So first thing we're going to do is roll out a coil. We want the coil to be no thinner than our pinky and no thicker than our thumb. And we're going to roll this out so that it's longer than we think we need. Now we're going to go ahead and test fit it to see where we want it on the pot and to see how long the coil needs to be. So I'm just pinching off the end of the excess coil, fitting it where I need it, and then we're going to score it and slip it to attach. So first I'm going to mark where the coil is going to sit. And now I'm going to score the area to prepare it for the attachment. Now when we score, we're making almost like cross hatches back and forth in order to provide some grip for the pieces that we want to attach. Next we're going to mix up some slip and apply it to our pot in order to glue it together. We also need to score the piece that we're attaching as well, so that both parts are scored and both parts can grip each other. Now since our clay is still a little bit soft, we're going to just apply some water with our finger to the area that we scored, rub it good in order to create some mud, and make sure to do that on both parts, on the foot and on the body of the pinch pot. So now we're going to fit it in place and press it in so that it sticks. Now we're going to complete this attachment process by smearing clay from one side over to the other. So I'm gently taking a little bit of clay from that coil and spreading it across to the body of our pinch pot. Now that these are firmly attached, we can kind of go back and smooth out and reshape our work to make sure that it's nice. Now I'm going to use a soft rubber rib tool. This is going to help me to refine the shape of my pot and clean up any imperfections. Lastly, I'm going to use this damp sponge to clean up any imperfections that we have left. Taking a little extra time in the end to perfect your pot and make it look nice will really help you appreciate it, all the hard work that you've put into it. And that's just about it for now. In our next video, we're going to apply a Sgraffito design. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.